Mtetezi, Junior School Secretary, KUPPET, Kenya, Mombasa branch. Hao walimu wanafanya donkey work. They get paid 17,000 that cannot even pay house rent. This internship was declared illegal 2-3 years ago. Some of us were even interdicted because of this internship. As if that is not enough, we are in the street down 3 years on the line addressing the same internship. And now sisi kama Mombasa tumesema internship tawe! Internship tawe!
My name is Nehemiah Kipkorir, the national chairperson for these intern teachers in the Republic of Kenya. I want also to call upon the KUPPET National Office, our SG, Missouri, come out and talk about this internship. Power. Come out and talk about these teachers who are soon to be the members of KUPPET. We are saying if you are not coming in, we will not be members of KUPPET. We are telling you for free. If you are not coming here to advocate for our impunity that the government is imposing on these teachers, then you are not coming to be members.
My name is Cecilia, third gender, Mombasa. There are some of us who were PNP in 2023. We are now in C4, we are now in C3. The question is, where are we supposed to be? Are we the principals? Are we the deputies? Are we the senior schools? What are we in those primary schools? You are bringing a lot of confusion, so kindly ensure you tell us where we are supposed to be.
Okay, kwa majina naitwa Hamisi Kea, mwenyekiti wa Mombasa KUPPET branch. Tunataka walimu waheshimiwe. Walimu walimaki mtihani kuanzia last year. Mtoto alipata majibu, mtoto anaenda chuo kikuu, lakini mwalimu yule aliye supervise, mwalimu yule aliyesahisha mtihani bado hajalipwa. Tuliona bajeti ilipitishwa walimu wapewe pesa, lakini ile pesa ikaenda mahali kwingine. Tunaona rais anazunguka akipeana pesa za nyota. Hizi pesa kwa nini zisilipwe walimu? Hizi ni pesa zetu, tunataka walimu walipwe. Kama hatutalipwa within 14 days, tunasema kwamba mwaka huu walimu hawatasimamia mtihani, walimu hawatasahisha mtihani. KUPPET power! KUPPET power!
Chairman power! Internship tawe!
Autonomy real!